Hello everyone, my name is Shiva from BBA Semester 6. My topic is Environmental Analysis 2. What is environmental analysis? Environmental analysis is a strategic tool. It is a process to identify all the external and internal elements. The analysis entails assessing the level of threat or opportunity factor might present. The analysis helps align strategy with the firm environment. Our market is facing changes every day, but you can control a lot of these things. Different tools of environmental analysis are SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats analysis, pestle analysis, political, economical, social, technological, legal, scenario planning, Porter's 5 force framework. What is pestle analysis? A pestle analysis is an acronym for a tool used to identify the macro forces facing an organization. The letters stand for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. Depending on the organization, it can be reduced to PEST or some areas can be added. Example, ethical. PEST stand for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal. Political factor. Those factors are all about how and to what degree a government intervenes in the economy or a certain industry. Basically, all the influences that a government has on your business could be classified here. This can include government policy, political stability or instability, corruption, foreign trade policy, tax policy, labor law, environmental law, and trade restriction. Economic factor are determinants of a certain economy's performance. Factor include economic growth, exchange rate, inflation rate, interest rate, disposable income of consumer, and unemployment rates. Social factor. This dimension of the general environmental represent the demographic characteristic, norm, custom, and value of the population within which the organization operates. These include population trends such as population growth rate, age distribution, income distribution, career attitude, safety emphasis, health consciousness, life attitude, and cultural barriers. Technological factor. These factors may influence decision to enter or not enter certain industry, to launch or not launch certain product, or to outsource production activity abroad. By knowing what is going to technology wise, you may be able to present your company from spending a lot of money on developing a technology. Environmental factor. Environmental factor have come to Frankfurt only relatively recent. These factors include ecological and environmental aspects such as weather, climate, environmental offset, climate, which may especially affect industry such as tourism, farming, agriculture, and insuring. Legal factor. Although these factors may have some overlap with the political factor, they include more specific laws such as discrimination laws, antitrust laws, employment laws, consumer protection laws, copyright and patent laws, and health and safety laws. If an organization trades globally, this becomes especially tricky since each country has its own set of rules and regulations. Best suitable example of pestle analysis is in this selection we will share a fifth of the 5 pestle analysis example. Apple is a renowned brand in the world. Its smartphone, PCs, tablets, music player and TVs are very popular. Although it is expensive brand, people still go for it as it adds luxury to their lifestyle. Let us take a look at the pestle analysis example of Apple. Pestle analysis of Apple. Political factor, economic factor, social factor, technological factor, legal factor, environmental factor. The political and economic factor of Apple describes Apple manufacture its product in China because of the lower cost manufacturing charges. Hence, any political rift between the US and China may affect its operation. But finding an alternative is not easy as it is expensive. You can also not deny that the company is in the dominant position. Economic factor. Apple has to keep in mind that its manufacturing cost will increase if China increase labor cost. If US dollar witness high, then exchange rate will increase, so it may help Apple to earn good profit in China and Europe. Social and technological factor of Apple. Social factor. Although Apple is popular around the world, it still has no tasted success in areas like Africa. In the US, low income people are against it and it is expensive. So the appeal of Apple is not much in China due to ethical concern. Apple needs to make people aware of its feature. Technological factor. Google and Samsung have copied some of the feature of Apple product and service. Some of the apps and services are also in the market that show that Apple is no different. Legal and environmental factor of Apple. Legal factor. Recently, Apple has started a highly regulated service through Apple Pay. Apple may have to face some regulation as a result. The government may also increase oversight on it. Environmental factor. Disposal of non-working electrical devices is the biggest environmental issue for Apple. Aim, aim of pest analysis. Pest analysis describes a framework of macroeconomic factor used in the environmental scanning component of strategic management. It is a part of external analysis when conducting a strategic analysis or doing each market research and environmental factor to be taken into consideration. Thank you.